Holy crap.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen.
Okay, so I'm with Colton. Hi, Colton. And I'm on my bike with the new FMF. And I figured out I can do wheelies without the clutch in first gear. Because it's horsepower. It's so loud. You holding on? I want to go to rev limiter when it's warmed up. Are you holding on? You holding on? It sounds like the wheel was spinning, but it wasn't. Oh, I'm excited. Go. Dude, it's making my legs vibrate. Did you see how fast it accelerated?
No. Dude, it's making my legs
like a Hellcat.
Should we follow them?
Yeah.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.